Welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to use filter and sort option. If I wanted to do the filter, I will select the range of data, then use the filter option. Now, if you see, there are here with 2014 and 2013, but I wanted to sort this with 2013. So this will sort with ascending order. If I click on A to Z, it will sort with ascending order. So you have the 2013 first, then you have 2014 next. If I wanted to sort in a reverse order, which is descending order, I can select Z to A. Now it has sorted in descending order. At the same time, if I wanted to put filter on the product and I wanted to sort in a alphabetical order, which is A to Z, I can also select A to Z. If you notice, once you have applied the filter and sorted using A to Z in this column C, the sorting has been automatically removed. This is how you can use filter and sort option in Excel.